Check out the new 8260 from Dremel. Now this is the world's first smart rotary tool. That means you can connect, manage, and control features on this tool on the Dremel app via Bluetooth. Some of those features include tool and speed recommendations depending on application and material, and just loads of information and tips to get the most out of your tool and your accessories. The app's free to download and well worth checking out even before you own the tool. Now the 8260 is cordless and it's powered by a 3 amp hour battery, which is a big step up on the previous cordless model. And that battery comes with the tool in the kit and charger. Now you've got some nice bright lights here. Across the base is a battery level indicator light. Above that's the speed selection light, which you can set with the app when it's connected via Bluetooth, or you can just wind the dial up and down from 5,000 RPM all the way up to 30,000 RPM. And above that is the Bluetooth indicator light, which just lets you know the tool's connected to your phone or device. It's got a nice rubberized grip everywhere you touch the tool while using it, which gives you lots of grip and control. Now, despite it being quite quiet and easy to use, it's actually 20% more powerful than Dremel's most powerful corded model. In fact, I found it near impossible to bog it down in anything I threw at it today. Now the 8260 comes in a handy carry case with battery and charger like I mentioned earlier. It also comes with a handy 5-piece accessory kit. That kit includes 4 EZ cutting wheels and an EZ locking mandrel. Now that's probably EZ, but I'm Australian, so you're gonna have to deal with it in the comment section down below. But the tool's compatible with all Dremel, EZ Lock, and Dremel Max accessories. Make sure you check out the full range in the Dremel section of your local Sydney tool store. You can also get some great kits to get you started, like this 70-piece kit, all featuring the Easy Lock system. But that's the 8260 from Dremel. Its limitations are your imagination. Make sure you check it out at your local Sydney Tools store, or you can go to sydneytools.com.au for more information on this tool. You can also hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV. EZ. EZ makes more sense.